If you'd like to learn a little bit more, you can come to my website here, Family Consumer Science with Miss G. And here you'll see my little introduction. All you have to do is click on the images below that you think are interesting, or maybe if I assigned it to you. So we have a couple of lessons under resource management, like setting smart goals, how to budget, career exploration. We have some more lessons here. And all you have to do is click on any of the pictures that you might find interesting. So if we were to click on goals, for example, now we're here, this is our lesson, and it's important to read everything that's listed in each lesson so you don't miss anything. And if you see something that looks like this, that is an arrow that you can expand, and then we can learn a little bit more about SMART goals. And now here's a little bit of work for you. Answer some questions. Make sure you watch all of the videos that are included in these lessons. They really help put it together for you. And now we have a little project. Can you make a vision board based on your goals? And if you're not sure of something, all you have to do is click on this little picture cartoon of me that looked confused. Just click on that, and then your email will pop up, and you can send me an email that way. So say we want to learn a little bit about the science of baking. We'll click here. If you see this up here, that's the table of contents. Say you started and you left off somewhere and you want to pick back up at eggs. Instead of scrolling, just click eggs, and now we can start here and learn about egg science and so on. So if you're interested in looking at my website, feel free to come by, look at it, take part in the activities, participate. If you have any questions, email me, of course, and have fun.